Today I'm going to show you how to make your very own homemade sprinkles. We're going to start off with 1.5 cups of powdered sugar, 2 tablespoons of water. This part is optional. I'm adding in 2 tablespoons of meringue powder because I want my sprinkles to be completely ready to go in the next 2 hours. Add in 1 tablespoon of light corn syrup and half a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Mix everything together. You're going to want to add in additional water, about half a teaspoon at a time until you get the right consistency. I used about 1.5 extra teaspoons to get this consistency. Once your mixture looks something like this, take a scoop out and color it with your desired color. I'm using gel food coloring. AmeriColor is my favorite brand. For this project, I'm using a number 2 piping tip, but use whatever size you'd like. Take your piping bag and over a parchment-lined baking sheet, squeeze out as many lines as you can. It's okay if the line breaks, that won't matter. Do this for all of your colors. Once you're done or you're tired of squeezing, set your sprinkles off to the side to dry. If you used meringue powder, your sprinkles will be ready fairly quickly. If not, that's okay too, but you will need to wait approximately 12 hours for your sprinkles to completely dry. Once they are dry, they will pretty much instantly pop off the parchment paper when you move it, like so. Take your sprinkles, gather them up, and break them apart. Since these sprinkles are for my family, I'm using my hands here. If you'd rather not touch them so much, a knife works really well here too. And there you are, homemade sprinkles. I will insert an ingredients list right here for those of you that want to make this. Thanks for watching, and if you liked this video, I hope you give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out, and I'll see you all in the next video.